Hello, I'm Jeff from GR Pottery Forms. Today I'm going to introduce you to the WA system, which stands for wheel attachment. So this is an attachment that can fit on top of a potter's wheel to take your typical round forms that have a hole drilled in the center and put them on top of this accessory to create plates. Dinner plates, salad plates, serving plates, any kind of plates you would like to make. It works best for round. You can use other sizes, but the round is really what it's made for, making round dinner plates. You can alter the outside edge of your round plates to give it more decoration, but for the most part, it's really a way to kind of systemize your plate making, giving your plates support through the drying process, helping you to develop a foot in the one session, therefore creating a higher success rate. To explain the different parts of the system, first we have the WA board, the wheel attachment board. This is really a prep board. This helps you to develop the size of your slab of clay and to add texture if necessary, and to help you create the design that you're looking for. Once the slab is created, you can set that aside, remove it from the potter's wheel, and add the master system. The master system then gets placed on the wheel. The spacer and spacer pin go in there, and then they get placed in the center. Once it's on the system, we can now cut this edge and create a foot, and then release this foot, this whole plate from the system to create plates over and over. This WA system has lots more information, and hopefully it'll have more accessories as we go on, but this is a great system to help you make dinnerware. You can find more information for the WA system at grpotteryforms.com.